What's up you guys, it's Carabella, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing total core to shred up your abs, tighten your core, and all that good stuff. But before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button, but most importantly, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more people trying to get fit. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, let's get into these workouts. First, we're gonna be doing plank jacks. So coming down onto your mat, you wanna get up like this, arms are out straight, body's like this, and we're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Basically, a jumping jack in the plank position. Keep your core tight, really focus on keeping your core tight, flex your abs, flex your core, 3 sets of 10, let's get it. Five-second break, one big breath, set 2. Five-second rest, last 10 you guys. Good job. Give yourself a 10-second rest. All right, guys, coming down for alternating side planks. So what you want to do is balance on your feet. We're going to be coming up like this, all the way open, okay? Hips are open, arms are open. Come back in. Same thing over here. Hips are open, arms are open. Keep your abs tight, keep your core tight. 3 sets of 15. Go ahead and follow along. Five-second rest. Let's get into set 2. Five-second rest. All right, guys, last set, last 15. Good job, you guys. Give yourself a 10-second break. For this next exercise, come down into the plank position and we're gonna do one-legged planks. So, one leg back, one leg off the ground. We're gonna be holding this for 15 seconds, okay guys? 3 sets of 15 on each leg. We'll do 3 sets of 15 here and then move over to the other side. Let's get it. Good job. 5-second rest. Good job, guys. 5-second rest. Breathe deep when you do this, okay? Go like, I don't know how to explain it, but like breathe deep, okay? Last set. Good job, you guys. 10-second break, and then we're gonna switch sides, switch legs. Five-second rest. Five-second break. Take a 10-second break. This last exercise, we're gonna be doing plank raises. So what you wanna do is come down on your mat and you're gonna be choosing opposite leg to opposite arm. So let me show you guys what's up. Just like this, up, okay? Off the mat. 3 sets of 10. 1 is 1, okay? 2, 3. Let's do 3 sets of 10. Let's get it, guys. Five-second break. All right, guys, second set. Five-second rest. All right, you guys, last 10. Let's do it. Last 10 right here, last ones. You got this. Good job, everyone. Those are 4 core exercises that you can do to strengthen your core and build up your abs. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button for more workouts. Give me a big thumbs up to show this video to more people, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!